Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a loan updated. Start by identifying target loan types and sourcing sellers like banks, brokers, or marketplaces. Next, analyze loan terms, credit quality, and collateral to estimate risk and return. Then, prepare a bid, secure due diligence access, and confirm servicing arrangements. Finally, complete assignment paperwork and update records to begin collecting payments in your name. Begin due diligence by pulling loan files and payment ledgers to verify accuracy and identify red flags like late payments or modifications. Order property appraisals and title searches for secured loans to confirm collateral and priority. Check for undisclosed agreements, such as loan mods or repayment plans, that affect cash flow and collectibility. Document every finding and quantify expected recovery scenarios to inform your purchase offer and risk limits. When pricing a loan, model cash flows and discount at a rate that reflects credit risk and liquidity needs, and compare to recent market trades. Include servicing fees, legal costs, and a reserve for probable losses when setting your maximum bid. Negotiate terms like representations, warranties, and indemnities in the purchase agreement. At closing, use escrow or a trustee to ensure funds transfer only after proper assignment and notice are completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.